Hello everyone, it's me again. Long time haven't hear from you. I today would like to share some interesting things, knowledge that has been boggling a lot of architecture students, which is concept. In architecture concept, many many students have problems to understand, to grasp the idea, to understand, to elaborate, to uh, make it happen. So here and today, I wish I can help a little bit, at least one step at a time, to explain to you what is concept. And I will break down the depth of concept for first year, second year, and third year degree architecture. Okay, for the first year students, architecture. Most of the time, students will exposed to, as a start, with art theory, as simple as art theories, so that from there they can understand how to implement arts into principles in architecture. This is very important as a start of design. Okay, so when you want to create, you want to merge ideas of concept and architecture principles, it might give you a trouble to understand how these things gonna happen. Okay, there are some concept that normally first year student should try this. Biomimicry. Biomimicry is slightly more uh, specific towards nature because it is bio, which is the nature. Mimicry means copy. So with that, you are actually learning how to mimic nature. Why? Because yes, nature, a lot of beautiful things we can learn about nature from animals. There are thousands, millions of types of animals, right? From insects to vertebrate, reptiles, fishes, birds, mammals, and so many things, right? But how do you apply the idea of biomimicry to become architecture? Alright, so this is just a simple example that you may try, okay? As a start, let's try biomimicry of human body parts. Okay, a hand, okay? Just a simple hand. We have 5 fingers, right? We also have understand that fingers function. 4 of these is to grasp, and this thumb is to able to connect with so many other fingers, right? 4 only. 4 fingers only, right? So 4 fingers and 1 thumb is actually becomes a a hand, a teeth, a fist, a hand, okay, arm, okay, all different terms, but yes, it's all different. However, when you elaborate that they are, for example, in each finger there are 3 parts of structure that can move and bend, and they are all not same size. At the same time, they can bend and didn't clash when they are bent because of not same size, become, it will actually can grasp and become a fist with a solid and structure. Yeah, solid. When you give a penumbuk force, when you give a punch, you actually making a very strong force. So the idea of this alone, you can create so many ideas. How? Example, you know, hand can become a place to hold. Hand can become a place to protect. This hand also can become a place to put some ornaments or beautifications. At the same time, it's also have things that can grow. is called nail, right? These are so many elements in just one hand can do so many things, right? You can create a lot of ideas in architecture. Example of architect that have been used body parts as architectural concept is Santiago Calatrava. He is well known for artistic interpretation of biomimicry. It doesn't matter. Sometimes he use human body parts. Sometimes he use animals. Birds, Taurus, or cow, or so many other animals. But he's always loved to use birds, type of birds, to portray the idea of architecture. And because of that, he also can create masterpieces. So I would just, this is just, as a start, I would like you guys, just try, those metaphoric methods in architecture. I hope you do well. Just enjoy designing. Do not stressful so much about making things become too, like a house that you have seen every day. No. All right, give it a try. We shall meet again and explain you about the concept for second year and third year. Bye.